Hey, tough guy. I need your supervisor.
For what?
Your supervisor?
For what?
For what the fuck I want. Your supervisor. You know what for. Eyesight alone. 50 easily down Pruitt Ranch Road. I mean, there's a school right there. What's that?
Did he have any lights or sirens?
No. And no turn signals. Jumped on the freeway because I pulled up next to him and said, hey, slow down. There's a school on this road, man. He said, don't worry about how fast I'm going. And then he turns with no turn signal, got no seatbelt on, 85 on the freeway, dipping in and out of traffic. He finally used turn signals because he noticed I was following. Hey guys, Vigilaniac here. Driving through my neighborhood this morning, and I see this cop doing well over the speed limit. No lights and siren. I mean, I would estimate 50, maybe 50 miles an hour, maybe more. Here's where I spot him, okay, on the map. And what really pissed me off about this is just down the street, as you see, there's both an elementary school and a community park. So I decided to flip around and confront the police officer, and this is what followed. Hey, slow the down in my neighborhood. No goddamn lights and siren on you, son of a. What? What'd you say? Give me your name and badge number right now. Hey, tough guy. I need your supervisor.
For what?
Your supervisor?
For what?
For what the fuck I want. Your supervisor. You know what for, because I talked to you all the way back on fucking Pruitt Ranch Road when you're doing fucking 50 miles an hour through there.
50 miles an hour.
Oh yeah, your GPS is going to show you. So's my dash cam. And your smart ass remark when I told you to slow down. Don't worry about how fast I'm going. Did you forget already? Oh, what'd you say?
It's all recorded. Right?
Yeah, I know it's all recorded. I recorded it.
So I didn't say that.
So what'd you say?
We have a supervisor coming out.
What did you say?
We have a supervisor.
What did you say though?
We have a supervisor coming out.
I said, what did you say?
It's all on camera.
That's usually people who are guilty avoid questions like that.
He's on his way.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name Dibble.
Dibble?
Yep.
What's yours again? I couldn't hear you.
6594, sir.
Yeah. So he's coming? Okay, cool. Hey, can I get your name, badge number real quick?
My name's Officer Marquez, 6370.
Thank you, Marquez. How long you been Antioch cop? Well, that was a short career, wasn't it?
A couple months.
Yeah. Welcome to Antioch. You know who I am? Nope. You get used to seeing me. I'm out here all the time. Yep, keeping you fuckheads accountable. Guys like you that need to not be cops no more. You know, like the 45 that left. You're next. Okay. Maybe no, Pittsburgh won't take you. Maybe Concord. Concord, Walnut Creek. You know, if you can afford the housing over there.
Hope so.
You Antioch resident?
Yeah.
Oh. Why the fuck you speeding through past schools and shit like that?
Man, I wasn't next to school. Man.
What?
I wasn't next.
You didn't go past fucking Lone Tree Elementary?
I wasn't speeding down to school.
You weren't speeding down the school? You weren't speeding, huh? Down Pruitt Ranch Road? You know, you realize I got you on my webcam, okay? You know you were speeding, so now you're really gonna look like shit when you keep denying it like that. That's Brady List material. Is that you? Is that where your career's headed? I bet it is. So we're just waiting on the supervisor and we're gonna file a complaint on this guy. New cop. Hopefully short-lived career here in Antioch at least. It's hard to get rid of these guys. But you know, when you see him hauling ass through a residential area the way he was, you know, it just pisses me off when you say something to them and they have a smart ass, don't give a fuck attitude. Hey, hey, seatbelt. Seatbelt. Gotta have that seatbelt on, brother. Officer safety and all. Not that we're brothers. You just don't give a fuck about any traffic laws, huh? 85 on the freeway, no lights and siren. You know, the citizens of this town are who pay you. You know that, right? So you're out there protecting and serving, or are you out there putting everybody's life in danger? Making your fellow cops look like shit. Is that it? I bet you got that big bonus for getting hired too, huh? Like 40 grand, I think, last time. Did you cash in on that? Now you're walking around with your chest out like you're a big man. What are you, 5'4"? Do better, man. Do better. You know, your disdain all over your face, that don't help either. I don't know what the stop was for. They took one into custody. This guy's so new. Is that Evans? Oh, you look like him. You look a lot like him, man. Oh,
Bro,
Green. I'm
bro,
tripping.
I'm like
I know
this
you are.
tall. Come
I
on,
know
man.
you are now, man.
Hey, what's
I don't know
going on?
why I thought Evans, huh? He was
taller.
the guy that got ousted. You're the one I talked to at court for a while.
Yeah.
He used to be on traffic.
Yep.
This guy, I know he's new. Give him some shit. He's driving like a fucking idiot on Pruitt Ranch Road. Had to be, I mean, I'm going by my eyesight alone, 50 easily down Pruitt Ranch Road. I mean,
he
it's a
have any
school
lights or
right
sirens
there. What's that?
Did he have any lights or sirens?
No. And no turn signals. Jumped on the freeway because I pulled up next to him and said, hey, slow down. There's a school on this road, man. He said, don't worry about how fast I'm going. And then he turns with no turn signal, got no seatbelt on, 85 on the freeway, dipping in and out of traffic. He finally used turn signals because he noticed I was following him. He's just got a fucking shit attitude. And I got kids in that neighborhood,
No, I
man.
get you. Yeah, he was in a hurry because this is a stolen car.
And all you got to do
that
is turn your
stuff.
lights on.
Yeah, you're right. I'll
You
talk
know?
to him. We had a couple of.
It's the only time it's exempt.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Yeah. No, you're right.
No,
We'll
I
talk to him.
appreciate it, and I've
Yeah.
talked to you before.
you
You
been
got
up
a
to?
good head on your shoulder. Good, man. You've been good, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there haven't been any action out here in Antioch, so I've been everywhere else.
No,
There
I'm
are no
actually,
cops.
I'm actually. I'm
So you're not on track. They don't even have traffic anymore.
So I work. I handle control, but then I have to do traffic stuff. I'm actually investigating a traffic fatal right now. So,
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So if this is live or anything, if anyone
It's
has any
not live.
information, okay, yeah.
Where was it?
It was over on Wilbur. If anyone has any information.
On Wilbur, huh?
Yeah.
God, I was just there too.
It was on March 17th. So I'm doing some follow up now. So yeah, if anyone's got
Where at?
information.
Where at?
Right. It would be east of Apollo Court.
East of Apollo. That's where the little ball fields are, right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And east would be toward.
it'd be
closer to
closer to Oakley.
Oakley, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah. So.
And a
that's what I'm working
fatality, yeah.
on. Yeah, unfortunately.
So like somebody just driving like an idiot and
That's what I'm trying to figure out. So we're
hit
working
somebody.
on it.
Oh,
I
is it
just
hit and
need,
run or what?
Well, I got the car, working on some more information on it. But yeah, I got some witnesses that helped out. So,
Right.
But yeah.
Right. But yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
I'll
I know he's new. You know.
No, everyone's got to learn. So
Yeah.
I'll take a look at his ADL and have a chat with him.
And
I
just
appreciate it though.
attitude overall too. Just and granted, I came at him kind of hard. Like, what the fuck are you doing, man?
Yeah, we're
Slow down, but
always gotta be professional.
but don't be professional.
Yeah. No, I got you. I
All right,
appreciate it.
all right, thanks. I remember who you are now, Green. I know who Evans is now. In my head, yeah. I know a few of the sergeants, by name.
Yeah.
Evans was one
Well,
of
there's
them.
only 3 of us, so
Yeah.
or 4 of us, I think. Yeah.
Right.
So
Yeah, he's gone, right? Evans is gone, or he's just on leave still.
don't know yet.
And how about my favorite, Linderman?
I don't. So of course we're not allowed to talk about any of
Right.
this stuff, but I don't know what the situation is.
Right.
That's all city hall stuff.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make it by with what I have on patrol.
Right. Yeah.
So. But yeah.
Now, all right, man.
I'll have
Stay safe out there, man. Good luck. Hey, Green, I think he needs you to move too. Tow truck. All right, man. Yeah. Hey, good job wearing the seatbelt now, huh? All right, I'll see you out there.